Oh my fucking neck. Woo. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rob.
But am I really your boy though?
Back with another video, and as the title says, we'll be doing a $400 FTP unboxing today. Now it's gonna be from the 10-year anniversary drop that was a couple weeks ago. That was a really messy drop. I took like 30 minutes to get everything that I wanted, and I ended up getting 2 fat carts. But let's move on from that and unbox the stuff. All right, so we got 2 packages, 1 for each cart, and we're gonna start with the box, because that's what I'm more excited about. All right. Let's crack into this. Surprisingly, with FTP, you get a lot of stuff for $400. And right off the bat, I am definitely impressed. All right, so we got an FTP sticker. Make that 2 FTP stickers. You always get these with like these kinds of packaging, especially streetwear brands. So like you'll get it with Supreme. Right off the bat, we got 2 of the ARC hats. So they had a black one, a white one, and also a red one, but I only wanted these. And what I'm pleasantly surprised about is the green underneath. That's actually a really nice touch, and I feel like it sets it apart from like your regular curved brims. Because usually you'd see a green bottom on a snapback, not a curved brim. Most of this stuff I'm gonna sell, but I might keep one of the FTP hats because it's actually pretty cool, especially in these times. All right, moving on from that, we have the FTP gold lighter. Oh, I just peeped this. Look at that. Got gold FTP on the box already. It's pretty nice. All right, so we have the the gold-plated FTP lighter. It's not exactly like a Zippo, but it's like similar shape. There you go. And on the back, it says 2010 to forever. 2010 is the year that FTP was founded, so 10-year anniversary, and forever because you don't want a good thing to end, right? And there you go. It's a gold-plated lighter, nothing too special, but add the cop. Woo. All right, this is too much work to put in right now. My receipt, but I got my information on it. We have 2 FTP beanies, 10-year ones. On the back it says 10 effing years in gold, and also FTP in gold on the front. I have no idea why one came in the packaging and the other one didn't. The white one got the packaging, the black one don't. I don't know what to say about that. And what I've been looking forward to the most, the holy grail of FTP, the FTP condom. So now when you smashing these chicks, you're gonna be smashing them in style with finesse. This is gonna be like, oh, you got the Magnum? You say, nah, I got that FTP for stuff I won't say. But moving on to my favorite piece, the thing that I was looking forward to most is the FTP 10-year denim. Comes in a plastic bag with FTP branding. I was about to say kind of like a Ziploc thing, but yeah, kind of like a Ziploc bag. It don't smell too bad. Ooh. You have FTP branding and chain stitch embroidery on the back pocket, back left pocket. And you have 2010 to 2020 going down the right leg, all embroidered. And you have 10 and 20 embroidered on a chain link stitch star. And on the back, you have FTB debossed into the leather print.
Another thing that I really love about the pants is that on all of the rivets it says F the population, so it just brings up the quality that much more for me. And yeah, it's a nice touch overall. So for the price of $82, I'd say the quality of these pants are pretty good. They're a work pant, so they're a bit wider than your typical slim fit jean. And they fit me perfectly, honestly. The width was perfect, the length was perfect, and the chain stitch embroidery that I mentioned earlier was great. The only bad thing I can say about them is that they're a bit stiff out of the bag, but that'll fix itself after a few wears.
All right, moving on for those absolutely stunning pants. Let's get into the final package. All right, I'm gonna have to flex a bit, like. Ooh. All right, so we got more stickers, but instead of them being orange, we got a purple and black one and a blue and yellow one. And I actually really like the color palette of this. I would actually like some clothes in this kind of colorway, honestly. And we got some more beanies and another lighter. I'm not gonna open it up since I already showed it to you once. But I gotta say, like, once again, the white ones get in the packaging, the black ones aren't. FTP, you gotta let me know what's up. And I think in here we have 2 tees. Ooh! Okay, we have 3 tees. Yes, I ordered 3 of them in this cart. All right, so here you have the FTP original OG logo, but the only difference is that it's upside down. So it's upside down on the left side of your chest and on the back of the shirt. I'm not gonna open it yet, but this one I'll definitely open and show you guys. So right here we have my second personal piece besides the pants. And that's the FTP Tragedy tee in the white colorway. I just really like it because it says F the population, but in a jumbled up artsy kind of format. And I feel like it's very versatile. It's a white tee. It uses a bunch of standard colors like blues, reds, and blacks. So I feel like I could throw this on almost any outfit and even have it as the statement piece for my outfit. So let me show you it on body.
So once again, this is the FTP Tragedy tee in white. I got it in a size medium. It fits me pretty perfectly, honestly. It's not too tight, not too baggy, and I just really like the overall colors in this shirt. You have like your basic colors, your red, whites, blues, and a little bit of black in it. And I feel like it's a very versatile piece and I can use it in a lot of outfits. So that's really why I picked it up. And I just love the font.
So I really messed with this tee and I'm glad I copped it at the end of the day. But to finish off this unboxing, we have one more piece. And if anything, I feel like this was the most premiere piece of the drop. Since it's the 10th anniversary and also 10th, not 10th drop, but yeah, the 10th anniversary drop of FTP, they did a special tee commemorating all of the logos, or at least all the popular logos and prints that they did over the years. And what took me by surprise is this poster that you got with this. So it's pretty simple. I'm a little upset because it's beat up, but it shows all the iconic prints that FTP has used in the past. My favorite one would probably be the polar bear rip. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep this for the personal. I'm still not 100% sure on the tee because I don't know how I would rock that piece, even though I can rock a lot of pieces pretty good. But moving on to the tee, here we have it, the FTP Archive logo tee. So it's like the poster, but more of a wearable and less clutterable print. You have the polo bear rip right in the middle, and the other ones. This is probably the most notorious one, FTP terrorist organization. That caused a huge controversy like in the years that passed. But yeah, you can look that up. If anything, I can like leave a link to an article in the description. And on the back, it's just as the lighter, it says FTP 2010 to forever. So yeah, it's a pretty good piece. I feel like this will be a grail in a couple of years, especially if FTP continues to grow as it has been doing. The only thing about the growth is that it's brought more resellers and botters into the community. So it's kind of messed it up, especially since it's never been like that before. But yeah, at the end of the day, at the end of the day, they're doing great stuff, and I'm ready to support them as long as they keep on doing great stuff. And yeah, until next time. Whoa. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Let me know what your favorite piece was from the unboxing if you had one. And until next time, Rob the God signing out. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Thank you guys so much for whoever watched, and hopefully you're willing to stay here and grow with me. More content on the way. And that's pretty much it. Rob the God signing out. Peace.